Hey, this is Mr. Race here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. So this is a review of what each of these inequality signs means before we get into the actual Desmos assignment. Delta math assignment, not Desmos. So looking at just this top part, we have on the number line just a circle closed on the number 4. X equals 4. George has 4 marbles. He doesn't have 5, he doesn't have 3, he doesn't have 4.5, he just has 4. So we say X equals 4. X is the number of marbles he has. So now this next number line, we have a closed circle, meaning that it can be 4, and an arrow, meaning that X can also be anything bigger than 4. So they say X is greater than or equal to 4. In words, that would mean George has at least 4 marbles. This next one, we have the same thing, but it's an open circle, meaning it's not 4. So X is greater than 4. George has more than 4 marbles. That means he might have 5, he might have 6, he might have 7. Anything bigger than 4 he might have. But he doesn't have 4. He doesn't have exactly 4. And this one above here, when it's at least, the circle is closed because he can have just 4. That's what the word at least means. 4 or more marbles. Now this next one, George has at most 4 marbles. X is less than or equal to 4. We have a closed circle and a line going to the left, because the most George can have is 4. But he also might have 3, he might have 2, he might have 1, he might have 0. Maybe he has a negative amount of marbles. I'm not sure what that would look like. But you can use your imagination. Now this one, we have an open circle and a line going to the left. X is less than 4. George has less than 4 marbles. So he doesn't have 4. If someone goes up to you and they say, I have less than 5 pieces of candy, and they actually have 5, then I would tell them, man, you're lying to me. You actually have 5. You don't have less than 5, you have exactly 5. But if they said I have at most 5 pieces of candy, and they had 5, then that's fine, that's true. Okay, so you'll want to memorize these, how all of this works. You might need to watch this video many times in the future. That's okay.